The adventures I had growing up in my neighborhood were keeping up with 5 boys, 2 of my cousins, and then we had an Italian family of 3 boys, and those were my playmates. And we did any number of things. We would go up and hide under the bridge and the railroad and wait for the steam engines to come along and see if we could hold our breath while it went under the bridge so that we wouldn't inhale any of the smoke. We did all kinds of crazy things that if our kids did it, we'd kill them. We also had a ball bearing factory behind our house. And before the war, we could go up to the factory and just go just inside the door without any problem. And they would give us ball bearings. And this is what we used for marbles when we played marbles. And also, my father worked at a magnet factory, and he would bring home scrap magnets home, and we would, between the ball bearings and the magnets, we could do all kinds of things. And those were kind of some of the adventures that I had as a child. In later years, when my cousins and I would get together for lunch, and with my sister, we would be telling some of these tales of what we did as kids. And one day my sister looked at me and said, "Did our mother know what you were doing?" And I said, "I don't know, but I did it anyway." The memory of my grandfather Lemke, was that he lived next door, and as part of being a young person, and with my 2 cousins, as we were always called kind of the Katzenjammer kids, and we would play tricks on him. He had a Maxwell House coffee can that he had in his bedroom that he would pee in, and we would hide it from him, and he would get very upset at us for hiding it. He would get upset for anything that we did to him, and oftentimes he would chase us through the house with his cane. And my aunt and uncle had bare bulb chandeliers in their living room, and one day he had his cane, was chasing us with his cane, and hit one of the light bulbs, and needless to say, he broke it, and that upset him. He went out on the porch and talked to himself the rest of the afternoon. So.